Question: Where is Canada located? A. Central America, B. Europe, C. North America, D. South America. The answer is C. North America. Question: When is Canada Day? A. November 5th every year, B. July 1st every year, C. June 30th every year, D. July 31st every year. The answer is B. July 1st every year. Question: Where do more than half of the people in Canada live? A. Coastal Pacific, B. Atlantic Canada, C. Prairies, D. Central Canada. The answer is D. Central Canada. Question: How are members of parliament chosen? A. Elected by senators, B. Elected by the Prime Minister, C. Chosen by the King, D. Elected by Canadian citizen. The answer is D. Elected by Canadian citizen. Question: Who appoints the judges of the Supreme Court of Canada? A. The Governor General, B. The Prime Minister, C. Other judges, D. The people. The answer is A. The Governor General. Question: What types of jobs are provided by service industries? A. Communications and retail services, B. Transportation and education, C. Tourism and government, D. All answers are correct. The answer is D. All answers are correct. Question: Which province is the only officially bilingual province? A. Ontario, B. Quebec, C. Nova Scotia, D. New Brunswick. The answer is D. New Brunswick. Question: When is Remembrance Day celebrated? A. July 1st, B. October 6th, C. November 11th, D. November 20th. The answer is C. November 11th. Question: Where do the majority Métis live in Canada? A. Central Canada, B. The North, C. Prairie Provinces, D. The Maritimes. The answer is C. Prairie Provinces. Question: What do the initial MP stand for in Canadian politics? A. Member of Parliament, B. Minister of Parliament, C. Member of the Patriots, D. Master of the Province. The answer is A. Member of Parliament. Question: What are the parties that are not in power called? A. Tea parties, B. Opposition parties, C. Rival parties, D. Opponent parties. The answer is B. opposition parties? Question. What is a major river in Quebec? A. Hudson Bay, B. Niagara, C. Fraser River, D. St. Lawrence River. The answer is D. St. Lawrence River. Question. What is celebrated on the 26th of December? A. Remembrance Day, B. Victoria Day, C. Boxing Day, D. Canada Day. The answer is C. Boxing Day. Question. One third of all Canadians live in which province? A. Saskatchewan, B. Quebec, C. Alberta, D. Ontario. The answer is D. Ontario. Question. What level of government passes by laws? A. Provincial, B. Municipal or local government, C. Federal, D. Senators. The answer is B. Municipal or local government. Question. Who proclaimed the amended Constitution of Canada in 1982? A. The Senate, B. Queen Elizabeth II, C. The people of Canada, D. The Prime Minister. The answer is B. Queen Elizabeth II. Question. What are the colors present in the Canadian flag? A. Blue and white, B. Red and white, C. Green and white, D. Red and blue. The answer is B. Red and white. Question. Which province was the first to grant voting rights to women? A. Quebec, B. Ontario, C. Nova Scotia, D. Manitoba. The answer is D. Manitoba. Question. Who chose Ottawa as the capital of Canada? A. Queen Elizabeth I, B. Queen Elizabeth II, C. Queen Victoria, D. Queen Anne. The answer is C. Queen Victoria. Question. Which is the Canadian province with the largest population? A. Ontario, B. Quebec, C. Nova Scotia, D. Alberta. The answer is A. Ontario. Question. What does CPR stand for? A. Canadian Pacific Railway, B. Canadian People Railway, C. Canadian Public Road, D. Canadian People Resources. The answer is A. Canadian Pacific Railway. Question. What is the head of the city called? A. Mayor, B. Councillor, C. Alderman, D. Premier. The answer is A. Mayor. Question. Which region covers more than one-third of Canada? A. Northern Territories, B. South Region, C. North Region, D. Southern Territories. The answer is A. Northern Territories. Question. In what jobs did the Métis first work with European settlers? A. Supplies traders, guides and interpreters, B. Taking care of children, C. Building housing, D. Fishing. The answer is A. Supplies traders, guides and interpreters. Question. Which region is known as the industrial and manufacturing heartland of Canada? A. Atlantic provinces, B. Prairie provinces, C. Central Canada, D. West Coast. The answer is C. Central Canada. Question. Which of the following is not a responsibility of Canadian citizen? A. Learning to speak both official languages, B. Voting in elections, C. Obeying the law, D. Taking responsibility of oneself and one's family. The answer is A. Learning to speak both official languages. Question. Where are the parliament buildings located? A. Toronto, B. Kingston, C. London, D. Ottawa. The answer is D. Ottawa. Question. What are the provinces of Central Canada? A. Ontario and Quebec, B. Ontario and Alberta, C. Quebec and New Brunswick, D. Alberta and Saskatchewan. The answer is A. Ontario and Quebec. Question. What is the highest honor available to Canadians? A. The Queen's Medal, B. Elizabeth Cross, C. Victoria Medal, D. Victoria Cross. The answer is D. Victoria Cross. Question. Which province is Canada's main producer of pulp and paper? A. Quebec, B. British Columbia, C. Saskatchewan, D. Ontario. The answer is A. Quebec. Question. What is a polling station? A. Place where you vote, B. Campaign offices for candidates, C. Place where the number of vote is counted, D. Member of Parliament's constituency. The answer is A. Place where you vote. Question. Which of the following is a non-Canadian not allowed to do? A. Leave the country at will, B. Contact his or her MP, C. Take the Canada citizenship test, D. Vote in federal and provincial elections. The answer is D. Vote in federal and provincial elections. Question. What is Canada's national winter sport? A. Lacrosse. B. Basketball. C. Hockey. D. Golf. The answer is C. Hockey. Question. Who can ask you about whom you voted for? A. No one. B. Any other Canadians. C. Your local MP. D. The Prime Minister. The answer is A. No one. Question. How is a cabinet minister chosen? A. By the Prime Minister. B. By the King. C. By the voters. D. By the senators. The answer is A. By the Prime Minister. Question. What is Canada's system of government called? A. Dictatorship. B. Parliamentary government. C. Military rule. D. Communism. The answer is B. Parliamentary government. Question. Who can enter and leave the country freely without time constraints? A. Canadian citizen and landed immigrants. B. Commonwealth citizens. C. Canadian citizens. D. British citizens. The answer is C. Canadian citizens. Question. What is the Great Charter of Freedom also known as? A. Habeas corpus. B. Dominion of Canada. C. Canadian Constitution. D. Magna Carta. The answer is D. Magna Carta. Question. What are the Prime Minister and Cabinet Ministers together called? A. The Government. B. The Cabinet. C. The House of Commons. D. The Senate. The answer is B. The Cabinet. Question. What do Canadians normally wear on Remembrance Day? A. A red poppy. B. A green shirt. C. A black tie. D. A white shirt. The answer is A. A red poppy. Question. What region is called the land of the midnight sun? A. Central Canada. B. The Northern Territories. C. The Prairies. D. The Maritimes. The answer is B. The Northern Territories.